Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Potensic just released a new drone. Potensic Atom 3, a high-value, all-in-one entry-level drone. This is a first look. Let's show lots of footage and mention all big improvements and new features. This video is brought to you by Potensic. Atom 3 is the next generation premium entry-level drone in the Atom series. It falls under the 249 grams category, so no registration is required and no license is needed for recreational use. This applies to Canada, this is where I live. Other countries will have different requirements. Who is it for? Entry-level users, including beginner aerial photographers, photography enthusiasts, outdoor sports enthusiasts, and short-form content creators who are seeking a high-quality experience within a limited budget. The first thing that has been improved is the maximum battery life. The new Smart Battery Plus gives you up to 50 minutes of flight time. I have a Fly More combo, so this drone comes with a parallel charging hub, so you can charge 3 batteries at the same time. The 3 batteries together give you 2.5 hours of flight time. Maximum speed is 60 meters a second, and it can handle up to level 5 winds resistant. You can fly in normal mode or FPV mode. Another big improvement is the camera. There is now 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor. The lens has f2.8 aperture. The drone captures 48 megapixels 8K photos and 4K HDR videos. Another key improvement is video transmission. It's now 16 kilometers tri-band transmission. All you have to do is connect a video phone via Wi-Fi to be able to transfer 4K HD footage. You can even share it on your socials in real time. Let's take a look at the body. Here is the previous version of the drone, Atom 2, and this is Atom 3. The design has changed. It's more sleek, in my opinion, more modern. The battery also looks different. What I really like is this new protector for the drone. This is how you place it on, and the camera is now safe. You can place it in a pocket, purse, bag, you name it. This I really like as it is quite easy to put it on, and I feel like the whole drone is more protected. The new PT2 remote controller also looks slightly different from the PTD1. The buttons are different. This one will give you up to 4 hours of operating time, which has also been increased. The older version gave you 3 hours. The remote has a 900 nit ultra bright screen and provides 16 kilometers long range transmission. I just love the large screen. I prefer using this much more than a smartphone with a traditional remote. Let's return to the actual video samples and let's mention color profiles. By default, the camera records in normal or standard video. Here's a clip filmed in HDR. And the last clip is filmed in P-Log profile. That has better dynamic range. Once you apply a LUT in the post, it's going to give you this kind of a result. All clips were filmed in automatic mode as I don't have ND filters for this drone. I left all settings on default, although you can adjust definition and saturation in camera settings. You can zoom in 2 times in 4K, up to 3 times in 2.7K, and up to 4 times in FHD. Slow motion up to 7 times is offered as well. Let's take a look at some clips. Cine roll is another mode. It's basically an Inception style effect that gives you another creative possibility. The next modes are all AI modes. AI night can only be enabled once you take off. As it is AI powered, it reduces noise and improves low light video quality. The AI track spotlight is just having a drone hovering in one spot. It keeps you in the frame wherever you move. Follow mode is self-explanatory. The drone will follow you. Parallel mode will follow you by your side. Another new feature is low altitude tracking that you can enable in the settings. As it says here, once activated, please install propeller guards and enable propeller guard mode. The drone can track a person at altitudes below 4 meters. Please pay attention to flight safety. And I fully agree, installing the propeller guards is a must, as these are razor blades and I actually don't have the guards. AI quick shots have programmed moves such as pull away, spiral, rocket, circle, boomerang, dolly zoom, and drift. That one is a new one as well. All you have to do is select the subject to track and one of these options. Let's leave the video and check out what is offered in photo mode. You have here a single photo. In a single mode, you can take photos in JPEG or RAW plus JPEG. You can zoom up to 2 times. When you take photos in JPEG, they will be 50 megapixels. If you select JPEG plus RAW, the photos will be 12 megapixels. Photos taken in all other modes will be 12 megapixels JPEG files. The next mode is to take photos in 8K. Bracketing mode takes 3 or 5 photos at different exposures. Burst mode will take up to 7 shots. Interval timer shooting lets you select between 2 seconds and 30 seconds intervals, which is ideal for creating time-lapse. The last mode available is panorama. You can take ultra-wide panorama, 180 degrees, vertical, and spherical panorama. When it comes to drone settings, everything you need is here. You've got safety settings, calibration control, where are things like compass calibration and gimbal calibration. Control is next. You can customize here stick mode, buttons, and stick sensitivity. In camera settings, you can adjust white balance, enable grid line, adjust picture detail, enable defog mode in hazy weather. There are lots of settings here. Video transmission details are below and then about. What do you think of the upgrades? Let me know in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts. 50 minutes flight time is a lot for one battery. That is a big advantage for this drone. The other thing is that it is a budget drone, but it still offers flagship level core experience. If you need an entry-level drone, this is quite a good choice. The only thing I'm still missing is the collision avoidance and be able to take raw photos at 50 megapixels, not 12. When it comes to a cost of this drone, if you click the link below, you will see current pricing for all Atom 3 bundles. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in one of those next. Ciao. Ahoj.